Okay, so with the banded Romanian deadlift, you want to make sure that the band is set up just in the crease of the hips, and take your step just slightly forward of the bars. What that's going to do is put more activation on the glutes at the top of this movement, so you get that squeeze of the glute and hamstring. The other thing here with a RDL like this that's putting a focus on that glute activation, you'll see I have slightly more knee flexion, a little bit more bend in the knees to put most of the load through that glute with the straight back. The weight doesn't need to be excessively heavy. Make sure there's that slow quality on the way down mid-shin and driving up.